Hello, in this video we are going to cover the compare instruction. So the compare instruction simply allows you to compare, if a value in a register has gone up to a certain amount. So it's almost like a loop essentially. To implement it, it's really simple. So first of all, we are going to move into the EFP register the value 1. So this is where it will start on. And we can put something. We can basically put a label, and I'm going to put LP1, so that's my label name. You can label it pretty much whatever you want. And I'm going to say increment the register. I've covered this in separate videos. So now to compare, you use CMP, what you're comparing with the other value. So this will say if it hasn't hit ESP of 5, then we will have the next step, which we are going to say is JLE LP1. So this basically just jumps to this particular line, this label, which is right there. So if I run that, we get no difference, but because there's no code in between here, if I get hold of this, I actually put it after I print out hello, what we'll get is hello world printed out 5 times because it started at 1 and did it up to 10. So if I put 10 here, it will print it out 10 times. If I put, say, 8 here, it will only print it out 3 times. So it just adds 1 every single time to it. So that's literally all you need to know regarding the comparison instruction and using the jump to label command as well. I've got a couple of other videos covering the unconditional jump and the conditional jump as well, so feel free to take a look at them for more information. So this is a great way of essentially doing some form of loop in assembly. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.